pork pot sticker stir fry. It's what's for dinner tonight. This is a great one pot meal. I made it in the 4.5 quart stainless steel saute pan. Super easy, super delicious. Let's dig in. I've got my 4.5 quart saute pan in stainless steel. Add a little oil first, and once you see it start to shimmer, then you can add your ingredients. The oil's starting to shimmer. I have a pound of frozen pot stickers. I'm going to go ahead and add them to the pot. Stir them often until they start to brown. That should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the pot stickers and set them aside so that we can prepare the meat and vegetables. I love all the veggies in this recipe. I've got 4 green onions here, and we're gonna go ahead and slice them up to go into the skillet. These will cook with the garlic and ginger with our ground pork. Slice them in half, and then just make sure you curl your fingers. When you are reaching for your chef's knife, 3 fingers on the handle, thumb and forefinger hold up on the blade, and you want to put the tip of your knife on the mat and just rock towards it. I'll press 2 cloves of garlic right on top of the green onion. The garlic press is super awesome. Do you have this already? Pop in the note in the comments. Tell us how much you love the garlic press. You can just put your garlic clove in there with the skin and press it straight through. Look at that. And you get this beautiful minced garlic. Now, if your hands aren't very strong, here's the secret. First, let me pull the skin out. There we go. See? It's all pressed right through. If your hands are a little on the weak side, here's what you do. You add your clove, put the base of your garlic press on the mat, and just lean into it. And now you have your garlic. It's very easy to pick up. Just take your knife and add it to your bowl. I like to keep my fresh ginger root in a bag in the freezer. When I need fresh ginger root, I just pull it out. I've wiped this when I came home from the grocery store, so it is clean. And then I don't even peel it. I just grate it right on the zester. It's super easy to do. And since ginger is so perishable, I don't have waste because it's not gonna spoil in the freezer. It'll always look like there's more on the mat than you really have. So you'll wanna measure it. So I just take my measuring spoon and I push it in there. You see how it just sort of, it thaws, and so all that fluffiness is gone. So I might have just a little bit more than a teaspoon here. That big pile made just that. So I'll add it right to the onions and the garlic. A quick and easy way to julienne your carrots is with the Rapid Prep mandolin. I've got the top dial turned to the julienne setting, and I have the bottom dial on the 5 setting. So you can just adjust it based on how you want it. Just punch the top. You kind of jump, huh? There we are. So check these out. Perfect for stir fries. All perfect matchstick size. Now that the meat's cooked, it's time to add the veggies. So I've got that julienne carrot, and we'll add a bell pepper that's been diced, 8 ounces of snap peas, and we're gonna add some baby corn. So let's come on over here and we'll get this can opened together. So when you attach your can opener, you make a straight line between you and the can. It just grabs onto the can while you start turning. I want to drain this can before I add the baby corn to the skillet. It just clicked. Reverse the direction. Use this little button here to close the pliers on the edge. There we are, just like that. So because I don't want all the liquid, I can just put my can strainer over the top and I'll just pour right into the bowl. When you're using this with tuna, it actually works inside of the can. So let's go ahead and put these in there. This is so colorful, isn't it? With everything stirred. In this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, tamari is what I'm using, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch. Now this is called a slurry when you mix your cornstarch with cold liquid. When you blend it up this way and add it to the skillet, you won't have the lumps that you would have if you just added that cornstarch right to the pan. Get everything coated here. It will start to thicken up just by cooking. So once you've got everything coated, go ahead and add your pot stickers so that they can all get warmed through. Doesn't this look fantastic? It's one of our favorites. I love quick meals like this. It's better than takeout. There's leftovers. I know exactly what's in it, and we love this. If you want to stretch it even more, you can serve it with rice, but I don't bother because of the starch in the pot stickers. We're good to go.